So, nung nakita ko nag-38, sabi ko, oh, tapos sobrang ingay sa social media. Okay na, sa inyo na yan. Yun lang eh. Yun lang yung basis ko eh. Yeah, this can still go up, but I'm pretty much happy do sa profit. That's why, okay na tayo doon. Bitcoin, sabi natin kahapon, di ba? If mag-close above the box, breakout yan. Ganun lang naman eh. So, this is a breakout. This is a clear breakout. Are there signs na magko-correct based sa daily time frame? Based sa daily time frame, if ever, no? Okay, tumaas na po kasi itong blue line ni Tipay. If ever magko-correct ito, yung previous resistance natin, the previous high, that's 36,000 level will be our immediate support. So, there's a possibility na tatalbog yan sa 36,000. If ever, that's your first support. Your second support is this blue. This is around 34,500. So right now, wala pa tayo nakikitang sign based sa daily time frame na magre-reverse. I don't know kung magko-consolidate pa. This could probably, I can consider this as the next leg, no ba? Market has 3 legs. This is the first leg, pump, konso. This could be the second leg. I don't know kung tapos na tong flag na to. Magfa-flag po kasi ulit ito eh. Okay. Usually, mga breakout na ganyan, it will form another flag. How high, I don't know. Alright? Follow for more T2 moves!